Hello, boost your YouTube views, new 2025 strategies. Hey YouTube, it's here. And let me tell you, we're about to make some serious noise on this platform. Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest methods to boost your views on YouTube in 2025. We're talking strategies so fresh, so innovative, they'd make even the biggest YouTubers jealous. Stick around to learn some game-changing tips. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Your secret weapon. Alright guys, first up, we gotta talk about titles and descriptions. This is like the bread and butter of getting your videos seen. Imagine searching for something on YouTube. What do you type in? Keywords, right? That's how people are gonna find your videos too. So, pack those titles and descriptions with relevant keywords that scream what your video is all about. Don't be afraid to get specific. Think about it. How to make a pizza is cool and all, but how to make the best pepperoni pizza ever, secret ingredient. Now that's a title that's gonna grab someone's attention. And in the description, give them a little sneak peek of what they're in for. Tell them why they should hit play, and don't forget to sprinkle in a few more keywords while you're at it. This ain't just some random advice, guys. This is how you climb the YouTube ladder. When people search for something related to your video, bam! You'll be right there at the top of the search results. It's all about playing the game smart and using every tool YouTube gives you. Remember, first impressions are everything. Your title and description are the first things viewers see, so make them count. We're talking click-worthy, scroll-stopping, gotta watch this now kind of titles and descriptions. All right, let's move on to the next level. Engaging thumbnails. Stop the scroll. Next up, we're talking thumbnails. Think of this as the cover of your video. You wouldn't judge a book by its cover, but on YouTube? You better believe people judge videos by their thumbnails. A boring, blurry thumbnail? Swipe. But a bright, eye-catching thumbnail that makes them curious? That's a guaranteed click. We're talking high-quality images or graphics that are relevant to your video content. Use bold text, contrasting colors, and maybe even throw in some emojis for good measure. And don't be afraid to show some personality. Let your thumbnail reflect the energy of your video. Remember, you've got a split second to capture someone's attention as they're scrolling through a sea of videos. Your thumbnail needs to be like a beacon of awesomeness that screams, "Watch me." Trust me, a killer thumbnail can make all the difference in getting those views through the roof. Chapter 3, Collaborate and Conquer. Join forces with other creators. Alright guys, let's talk about teaming up. Collaborating with other YouTubers is like unlocking a cheat code for growth. Think about it. You get exposed to their audience and they get exposed to yours. It's a win-win situation. Find creators in your niche or related niches and reach out to them. Don't be shy. The YouTube community is all about supporting each other. Do a collab video, guest star in each other's content, or even just give each other shoutouts. The key here is to find creators who share a similar target audience but offer something different. That way, you're not competing, you're complementing each other. Trust me, collaborations are like rocket fuel for your channel. They bring in fresh faces, new perspectives, and a whole lot of fun. Plus, who doesn't love a good crossover episode? Chapter 4. YouTube Shorts. Your viral ticket. You know I love going big, and YouTube Shorts? That's where it's at for short, snappy content that can go viral like crazy. These bite-sized videos are perfect for capturing attention in today's fast-paced world. Think about it. People are scrolling through their phones, they've got a few seconds to spare. Boom! Hit them with a funny skit, a mind-blowing fact, or a quick tutorial that leaves them wanting more. Keep your shorts engaging, creative, and get straight to the point. And don't forget to add those all-important hashtags to make sure people can find your awesome content. Shorts are like a shot of espresso for your channel, giving you a quick boost of energy and visibility. Chapter 5. Engage, engage, engage. Your community is your powerhouse. Here's the thing, guys. YouTube isn't just about uploading videos and hoping for the best. It's about building a community. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, run polls and contests, and make your audience feel like they're a part of something special. Think about it. When people feel heard and appreciated, they're more likely to stick around, watch your videos, and tell their friends about you. Be active in the comments section, ask questions, and encourage discussions. Host live streams where you can interact with your viewers in real time. Make your channel a place where people want to hang out and be a part of the conversation. Remember, a strong community equals a strong channel. So be present, be engaging, and watch your channel thrive. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. And hey, tell me in the comments what strategies you're going to try out. I want to see you guys crush it on YouTube. See you in the next video.